Hello everyone! It's 2026 and are you ready to grab new messy hairs for free? Then watch this video till the end.
Okay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more amazing content. Shout out to my subscribers! Anyways, let's dive into the video. Join free UGC anime outfits. I love this game because if you open the menu and click on free UGC, you will see these cool faces and messy hairs. And the best part is that they restock for a few times too.
Nice.
In this game, you earn points by away from keyboard grinding. You get 1 coin every 2 minutes, meaning that you can get at least 1 UGC in a day.
Oh my god.
Alright, enough of talking and let's start grinding. These are some of the new limited messy hairs that you get here. Next, join away from keyboard for UGC. As the name suggests, you need away from keyboard grind in order to earn points. If you click on the free points, you will see that you can earn 10,000 points by just joining their group.
Oh my god.
And in the UGC section, you will see that there are so many cool messy hairs which you can get for free.
Nice.
And if you click on more here, you will see that you can also earn points by just joining these groups. Alright, now let's start grinding. These are some of the many cool messy hairs. I bet you haven't seen these many cool hairs in just one game. Join BBC Wonder Chase. After you join, go to this portal.
Okay.
Here you have to complete a simple parkour. Let me show you guys. And also don't forget to collect these gifts too. Now repeat this process for a few times.
Okay, let's go.
You need to be under top 200 to get the UGC.
Nice.
Good luck grinding. Next, join spin for UGC. As soon as you join, you get free 20 spins.
Nice.
Also 150 offline spins too.
So nice.
As the name suggests, you need to spin until you get the UGC. Some of my subscribers got it under 20 spins too. You can also earn spins and luck by waiting in the game. Alright guys, let's start grinding. You will get this fire domino crown and this ice-cold hammer. Join this game. After you join, you will see this cutscene. You can either skip or watch it. I appreciate thy creators for doing such a great job in the storytelling. After the cutscene, come here and join their group to earn free 500 points daily. If you come here, you can see that they've these many new and super cool looking UGCs for free. You can earn points by just staying in the game, which gives you 1 point every 1 seconds. Or you can also earn points by hunting zombies. To do that, click on play and join any server or create your own server. Choose your own class and start grinding. This game is easy and fun to play with friends too. These are some of the UGCs which you will get from this game. This is the best UGC game I have ever played. Join free UGC obby. This is one of the easiest UGC game, because you can earn points by watching in-game ads. You can also earn points by doing the obby. You can also earn points by away from keyboard grinding here. These are some of the many UGCs you can get from that game.
Nice.
In order to watch ads in the game, you need to buy this in Marketplace, which is free. Lastly, join this game. This game has all the free Roblox items which are out there in Marketplace. For those who are new to Roblox, they can get all the free items here. They have all the items from hairs to shoes. That too, all in one place. You can flex your inventory in front of your friends.